is Emma.
And Maddie. And today we're going to be making some bread. This is our recipe. Let's get to this. So first we're going to need to make the sponge for our Italian bread. We will be needing 2 cups of bread flour, which is right here. Do you want to measure it out? Sure. Okay, and then next we need 1 cup of warm water and a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast in the water. Do you want to measure it out?
You can measure it out.
Okay. And we're gonna mix it until it dissolves. It kind of smells weird. Here, do you want to mix it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now we can pour it in because it's basically dissolved. Okay. So we're gonna pour it into our mixture of our bread. Just like put it in. And mix. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And you're gonna let it sit for like 24 hours. And then it should look like this. We actually made this one yesterday. And so then we are going to take it off. We're gonna start making this dough. So we're gonna have to have 3 cups of bread flour, which we have done in here. And then, right here, 1 teaspoon of yeast in the water. And how much water is this? Right, yeah, we put about like a cup of water. And then we're gonna mix. Just use this thing. And then we're gonna pour it into our dough mixture. Here, do you want to pour it in?
Just right there.
Right here, yep. I think that's what it says. Just gonna put it. Yep. And then we're going to mix in here.
That spoon that Madeline is using.
Okay. Ready, start. And then Emma is going to put the sponge in. And this has sat 24 hours. It's really good, actually. And that's probably fine. And then we're going to put some salt, which is 1 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoons, actually. Slowly. I think that's perfect. In the blender. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. We'll turn it on a low.
That is not in.
And then you
It's not. And then you turn it up 2 notches.
Yeah.
That's not even, that's one knot. For 8 minutes. Are we gonna time lapse that?
So we're gonna just let this go for like 8 minutes.
It'll start to look different.
Yeah. Actually looking like it's starting to look a bit smoother. About 6 minutes.
The dough had 8 minutes in the mixer, and now it's done, and we took it out and we put flour on our surface.
And
split it in half.
We're gonna, yeah, split it.
Knead it.
And yeah, we're just kind of kneading it. Okay, so now we can put it in the bowls, and we have just sprayed the bowls with cooking spray. And yeah, just put it in the bowls. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. And our plastic wrap. We're gonna just put it in the oven so it can help the rising. Gotta make sure it's on. Make sure it's good. Yeah, good. And we will turn it and like rotate it in 1 hour.
So
It's been an hour, and we are going to
took them out of the oven, and they rose like a lot.
and we have to like rotate it. So
Yeah.
it's kind of like
Honestly, we're just. Sorry.
and yeah.
2 times.
3 times. You can do
3
it one
times,
more.
and then we can.
Yeah. Just,
And then we put this back on
yeah.
and put it back in for another hour.
So after an hour of rising, taking it out every 30 minutes and rotating it, we are going to take it out of the oven. And we're going to shape it into a loaf of bread now, and we're going to put it into these pans. Rectangle, and then roll it up. So this is supposed to look like, yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven to rise. And I got, okay, see, this is why we don't bake. Let's put it in the oven to rise. Yeah, so basically they are in the oven right now, and we are going to take them out in about 30 minutes.
They look good. They're just like that.
Yeah, they're actually like, they look really good actually. They're kind of like rock.
Yeah, they do. They've risen
Risen.
a lot.
This is one that we have made before actually. We haven't eaten it actually yet, but like, yeah, they actually turn out really good, and they're
Yeah.
really delicious.
They look really good.
Okay, so the bread is risen in the oven, and we're taking it out, and we let the oven preheat to 400 degrees, and now we're gonna put it in. And this is gonna be like for cooking, not rising. And make sure you have gloves. It's very hot.
Safety first.
Safety first. Now make sure it's good.
Oh gosh. Okay. So they finished baking, and now we have to take them out. Alright.
They look so good. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hot. Okay, so that is today's video.
Okay. Thank you for watching us make bread.
Yep, and make sure to subscribe and
Like this video. Yeah.
so thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we're making Italian bread. Oh, and we already said that, but it's fine. Okay, so we're going to first need we're gonna first need a cup of warm water And then we're gonna put a 1/4 cup of yeast. What the heck, Emma? You have to say this. And it actually feels really good.